Morning students, I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 5th standard English subject. Today's our topic is lesson number 2, A Brave Son of Mother India. A Brave Son of Mother India. So students, do you know what is the main mission of the Indian Army? Well, it is a branch of the Indian Armed Forces that guards our borders, maintains peace within the country, and helps during natural disasters. But we do not know what goes behind the harmless term guards our borders. We do not know how these soldiers brave harsh weather conditions for the months when battles or wars takes place, how they fight and sometimes give their lives for their country. Now, let us read about one such brave soldier. See here, students, this is the picture of Captain Vikram Batra, a brave son of Mother India. This story relates with the Captain Vikram Batra. This is the story about the Vikram Batra, brave son of Mother India. Here you can see in the picture. This is the picture of Vikram Batra. Let us read about one such brave soldier, Captain Vikram Batra. Let's start. Either I will come back after hoisting the tricolor Indian flag or I will come back wrapped in it. But I will be back for sure. Those were the words of Captain Batra when he left for the Kargil war. See students, what did the Captain Batra said? What were the words of Captain Vikram Batra? I will come back after hoisting the tricolor. Tricolor means Indian flag, or I will come back in wrapped in it means after the war I will come back after hosting the tricolor, or I will come back wrapped in the Indian flag, but I will come back for sure. Those were the words of Captain Batra when he left for the Kargil war. When Captain Batra going or left for the Kargil war, he said that I will definitely come back, but after the hosting the Indian flag, or I will come back wrapped in it. Vikram Batra was born on 9 September 1974 in Gugra village near Palampur in Himachal Pradesh to his parents G.L. Batra and Jai Kamal Batra. Vikram Batra was born on 19th September. What was the born date of the Vikram Batra? 9 September in the year 1974. In which village? In Gugra village near Palampur in Himachal Pradesh to his parents. What was the name of his parents? G.L. Batra and Jai Kamal Batra. Vikram Batra was born on 9 September in the year 1974 in Gugra village near Palampur in Himachal Pradesh to his parents. His parents' name was G.L. Batra and Jai Kamal Batra. As his mother was a teacher, he got his early education from her. Here, Vikram Batra's mother was a teacher. So, he got the early education from his mother. After that, he was admitted to DAV public school. After he got the early education from his mother, he took the admission in the DAV public school. Where he took the admission? DAV public school, where he studied up to class 8th. In the DAV public school, he studied up to class 8th. He finished education in DAV public school up to class 8th. He passed the senior secondary examination from Central School in Palampur. Next, he passed his senior secondary examination. From where he passed from? He passed the senior secondary examination from Central School in Palampur. After school, he studied at DAV College, Chandigarh. Now, he have finished his school education. Now, after school, he studied at DAV College, Chandigarh. First, he took the admission up to class 8th in the DAV public school. Now, he took the admission in the college, DAV College, Chandigarh, where he was doing BSc. He was doing BSc. He chosen at the best NCC cadet. In the college, he was chosen when he was doing the BSc. He was chosen at the best NCC cadet. Later, he joined the Indian Military Academy. Later, after the education, he joined the Indian Military Academy IMA in Dehradun, where he joined the IMA Indian Military Academy in Dehradun in the year 1996, and on passing out joined the Indian Army as a lieutenant. And after the passing his Indian Military Academy in Dehradun in 1996, after passing out he joined the Indian Army as a lieutenant. He rose to the rank of captain, and it is said that he survived Kargil. He would have become a general. Also, Captain Vikram Batra, the last recipient of the Paramveer Chakra. Also, he got the Paramveer Chakra, the highest army honor of our country. So, students, this is the story of the Captain Vikram Batra, a brave son of Mother India. More about his story we will continue in our next class. Thank you.